WarSay, 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 WarSay. Yo, WarSay, 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 yo, WarSay. Yo, WarSay, 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 yo, WarSay. Yo, WarSay, 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 yo, WarSay. Yo, WarSay, 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 yo, WarSay. Yo, WarSay, 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 yes, say, yes, say, yes, say. Oh, fuck. Excuse the langy. WarSay, 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 WarSay. WarSay, WarSay, WarSay. I got chocolate. I was in KFC one day and I asked for a chocolate milkshake, and this was a chocolate. T-A-L-K-A-L-E-R-T, chocolate. This was a chocolate because he couldn't understand when I said chocolate. Chocolate. This was a chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, 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 chocolate, ha ha, chocolate, 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 chocolate. Screw myself. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish I had lots of cash and immortality, and like cash to go with the immortality or powers. Everyone had powers, and you could all fly to other planets and other dimensions and you could rewind and fast forward time, live like gods and kings and lords. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. I'm chocolate. I'm too glad to get out of here. I'm too glad to get out of here. I'm too glad to. I'm too glad. I'm chocolate. I'm chocolate. I'm chocolate. Chocolate milkshake. Chocolate. I'm practicing to say chocolate milkshake because he couldn't understand when I said chocolate, and I said it 10 times and he couldn't understand me. And I know that I had my speech is hard to understand, but it's, you know, chocolate. This was a talk alert. So chocolate. I tried to tackle it. This was a chocolate. So I tried to tackle it. Tackle it. And I couldn't tackle it because he couldn't understand me when I said tackle it. And I was not that chocolate. And yeah, eventually I got my chocolate milkshake from KFC. And a washing machine, and a washing machine, washing machine, and a washing machine, 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 washing machine. Washing machine, 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 washing machine. Warshine, Moshing, washing machine, 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 washing machine. Tuck alert, tuck alert, tuckalate, tuck-olate. And there's like, I've thought of a few with Jesus. There's like, Jesus, Jesus, like Jesus, 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 Jesus. Washing machine, washing machine. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. So it's chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Anyway, he couldn't understand me. I don't know what the problem is. I know I'm retarded, but hey, I do have a problem with speech because I'm going deaf. I guess it's because I'm going deaf. I have trouble like hearing people properly. It's like it's loss of data. It's kind of like there was this huge data stream of information there before, and where that used to be, it's gone now. There's no more of that data, and it's just muffled voices, and you can't hear the data encoded in speech. It's really hard. Anyway, I got nothing. I'm pretty broke. I got nothing in this world. I've got a computer and an internet connection and a camera. Yeah, there's wars going on and people have got nothing. Houses burned down and stuff. I got a scooter. Check my scooter out. Woo, scooter boy, scooter boy, scooter boy, scooter boy, scooter boy. I've thought of some others but I've forgotten them right now. Washing machine, I can get washing motion. I can get if washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, washing my sin, 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 washing machine. Oh, Russian machine. Washing machine, 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 washing machine. Sorry for outburst, but I have nothing else in the world to do right now. I had mice in my sofa, and they were like making this scratching noise. And I think what was it? It was house smells like sulpher. House smells like sulpher. House smells like sulpher. House smells like sulpher. Because it reminded me of being in hell. These mice had occupied my house. They'd basically taken over my whole entire house. I captured like 12 of them in like 13 or 14 days or something. That occupied my house. And I'd lost the war to these mice. They were all through my shirt, all through my stuff. So I moved house. Moved house. Moved house. I moved house. Moved house. Where? Warshine, my shine. Warshine, my shine. Warshine, my shine, washing 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 machine, washing machine. And I had one for Chinese, but I've forgotten the Chinese. It was like washing machine, washing machine. Washing machine, 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 washing machine. Washing my shine, 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 washing my shine. I used to live in this flat, and my computer, it was like 2 bedrooms, and the front room was like the kitchen and the lounge. And it was basically occupied by this table here, right here. There wasn't much room else. There was like a table and a couple of chairs. And I had right next to me, I had this washing machine in the same room. I had the washing machine. It wasn't hooked up or anything, but it inspired me to come up with Warshine, my shine. Warshine, my shine, 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 Warshine, my shine. My shine, my shine, my shine, my shine. Warshine, my shine, Warshine, 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 my shine. 2 in 1. So yeah, house smells like sulpher. 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 Oh, and there's Soulfire. 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 House smells like sulpher. I don't know. I got nothing. sorry about that. I got nothing, I got nothing, I got nothing, I got nothing. I got nothing, I got nothing, I got nothing, I got no thing, 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 no thing. Days you us, 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 dash 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 you us, JESUS, JESUS, dash you us, 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 dash you us. Oh, Polly, Polly wants a cracker, Polly wants a cracker, Polly wants a cracker. Best I gotta get up her first. Think she wants some water, water, to put out the blue thoughts. Isn't me, haven't seen, let me clear dirty wings. So Polly is Pele, like a horse, knight on a Pele, paladin. I've got paladin from World of Warcraft. I used to play World of Warcraft. Paladin. Polly the parrot. Pele, P-L-A-Y. Pele, ah Pele, ah Pele, ah Pele, ah Pele, Pele, P-L-E-A. I play in the sense, 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 I play in a sense, I play in a sense, I play in a sense, play in a sense, I play, I play, I play, I play in a sense, I play in a sense, 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 play in a sense. Warshine, Moshing. What's the name for the Chinese? I've forgotten the name of the Chinese. It was like, oh, I've forgotten. Washing machine. I had one. Washing, motion, washing, motion, washing my shine, washing my shine, washing my shine, washing my shine. Because you can pronounce this machine M-A-C-H-I-N-E, and I pronounce it shine. C-H-I-N-E, shine, my shine, my shine, motion, more shine, more shine, more shine, Warshine, Moshing, Warshine, Moshing, Warshine, Moshing, Warshine, Moshing, Warshine, Moshing, Warshine, Moshing. So this is the washing machine that inspired me. Warshine, Moshing, washing my shine. I got nothing, nothing on earth, nothing. Pain and misery, suffering, death and guilt, death and guilt. Okay, that'll do. Sorry for boring you. That wasn't my best attempt. I'll try attempting some pronunciations of 2 and 1s. Defers. I call them defers. D-E-A-F-E-R-S. Defers. Because you can't hear, there's 2 words and there's 2 sounds, like 2 words in one. You hear both words. And you get to pick which word you want, or both fit. Sometimes only one word fits, sometimes both words fit. But yeah, you can hear both words at the same time. Or sometimes 3. I've been able to do 3 sounds, 3 words in one. But yeah, this hasn't been my best attempt. I'm not that great at it. I'm sure there'd be beatboxers out there that could, or singers or artists or musicians or something, who could pronounce words, you know, spell them, looking for different spellings of words, different pronunciations of words and stuff. Anyway, sorry for boring you. This video's dragged on a bit. I'll leave it there for now. I'll try again later when I've got a bit more energy. I'll try the same stuff, but I'll try and pronounce it better so that you can hear 2-in-1s and 3-in-1s. And I'll even try chocolate. I'll even try and, I don't know, not be boring. Try and teach you a lesson. Anyway, over.